In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image, files, PDF in Salesforce. By the end, you'll be comfortable getting files like images, PDFs, and other documents into Salesforce so they're easy to find and share with your team. First, look at the top navigation bar in Salesforce for the Files tab. This is your central place for anything you upload. If you already see files, go ahead and click it. If you don't see it, no problem. Click the small pencil icon in the top right of the navigation bar to customize it. In the Customization panel, locate the Files option, add it to your navigation bar so it's always handy, and save your changes. This quick tweak makes sure the Files tab is only one click away whenever you need it. Once you're on the Files page, you'll see a list of files associated with your Salesforce account. Think of this as your file library. You can view what's already been uploaded, who owns each file, and when it was last updated. There's also a search bar if you need to find something specific later. Take a second to note the layout and the columns so you know where your newly uploaded file will appear. Now it's time to upload. Look to the top right of the Files page and click Upload Files. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the image, PDF, or other document you want to add, select it, and confirm. Salesforce will begin the upload immediately. You'll see a quick progress indicator, and once it completes, your file will appear in the list. That's your confirmation that the upload worked. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Have your file named clearly before you upload so it's easy for you and your teammates to recognize later. Make sure the file is the final version you want to share. If your organization has size limits or specific file policies, keep those in mind while choosing what to upload. And if you don't see the Files tab even after customizing your navigation bar, or if an upload doesn't complete, you may need to check your permissions with your Salesforce administrator. That's all there is to it. Find the Files tab, open it, and use the Upload Files button to add the file of your choice. With these simple steps, you can quickly store important images, PDFs, and documents right inside Salesforce, keeping your work organized and accessible whenever you need it.